I may be fogging up, but before you watch today's video, I gotta give a warning, okay? For those out there that may be young or don't like foul language, I did slip up and say 2 curse words in this video. Guys, I'm picking all stuff. Today was the day I was taking Kit with me and my son and my wife to go for him to get a tattoo, right? And believe me, I looked up on the internet for places I could take Kit walking. I was even there a couple days ago, but didn't really see a lot because it was pouring down the rain. Well, let me tell you something. With glass everywhere, no sidewalks, it turned out to be pretty much of a nightmare. It did get better though. You will see in the video, it did get a little bit better, but they are a couple curse words in this video. My apologies now. I just thought I should give a warning because I try not to curse in my videos. And I kind of did in this one because I was a little put off. More so because I felt stupid and bad and rotten that there was so much glass and I didn't. Kit's okay, Kit's fine, but I didn't notice the glass till after I put them down. Then I picked them right back up again. All right guys, go ahead and watch the video and I will give a closure when you get done. Well, we're up here in the state of Kentucky. My son is getting a tattoo and I'm holding Kit for now. We're gonna take him over to some grassy area, maybe do a little bit of walking, visit with our friend, and I'm not sure how long he's gonna be in there. It's not a big tattoo, it's quite small, but we got here a little early. He's got paperwork to do, so we just have to see how this plays out. Not much of a spot to go pee. It's okay, go ahead and go pee. We're right next to Frisch's, and I'm smelling them. They smell pretty good. What do you think, Kit? Should we get some Frisch's? Nah, you ain't having no part of that, is you? We are in a very busy area. I'm not sure how much video I could get done, to be honest with you guys. I'm on the side of the tattoo place. Doesn't really say the name of it here on the side. Can't do any videotaping in front, it seems like, and Kit's not having any of this. You're not having any of this, are you, buddy? Come here. I don't even like putting you down in grass here because I'm not sure if this is safe. I'm making sure there's no glass anywhere. Come on. Oh, let me get you up. Oh, shoot. Hold on, Kit. You are getting so heavy for Dad. Okay, I guess from here we'll go back where we parked the cars and get some type of video footage. It's going to be about an hour. Oh my God. Oh, it's trying. Okay, where I'm at now is not bad, and I want to walk down the road, but there's no sidewalks. That's it. The sidewalk only goes that far, and I don't want to walk on the road with Kit until he gets better walking. And I'm parked over here in Frisch's parking lot. Yeah, he's not having any of this. Way too much traffic sounds. Way too much. You're not used to this, are you, puppy? Daddy is sorry. I'm sorry. But I couldn't leave you at home. No, I could not do that. You would not be happy in your crate all day, and I feel guilty, and I feel that's wrong to do. Some people do it, but you're just a puppy. Way more sounds at home, ain't there? Yeah. You still sleepy, aren't you? Well, we'll figure something out, Kid. Yeah, we'll do something. All right, guys, I don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna do something. Oh, maybe I'll walk him down the end of the sidewalk and walk him back. All right, as far as letting him walk, there's just freaking glass everywhere. I think he might be safe in this grassy area, but there's freaking glass everywhere, and it's not safe for a dog to walk, especially my puppy. I'm not that type of person. Screw that shit. Yes, I said a bad word. Sorry about that. I was thinking, you know, I didn't think this through. When we was here the other day, it was pouring down the rain, so couldn't really explore that much. Plus, we was on a time limit. You want to walk up through here? At least the parking lot here would be okay. Oh, I'm frustrated. I honestly thought I could walk up and down the streets and or carry him a little bit, then walk, and it'd be okay. But I guess we'll just walk through the parking lot. And I don't even have the keys on me. My wife has the keys to the car. And she's in a tattoo artist with my son, or a tattoo shop. So I guess I'm stuck out here until they realize, hey, Michael and Kit don't have the keys, and yeah, I'm basically forgotten about right now. That's okay, Kit. Yeah, this is our car. Oh, son of a bitch. Sorry about the language, guys. I know I said 2 bad words. The car is unlocked. My wife didn't even lock it. Oh, and we could sit inside, Kit, but it's gonna be very hot. What do you want to do? Kit's like, I don't care, I want inside the car. Well, we could get inside. If we had the keys, we could roll down the windows, because she left the car unlocked, which is very stupid to do. But I guess she wasn't thinking. Her best friend was here, and I guess she wasn't thinking. I don't know, should we think for her? I'm just full of bad words today, ain't I? Sorry about that, guys. I don't usually use curse words in my videos. No, that's just isn't me. I do apologize for that. It's just holy. Oh, I got Kit in my lap and we're sitting in the front seat of the car. I sent my wife a message, hoping she gets it. And I guess we'll go from here. Oh my gosh, his appointment ain't exactly till 3, and it's 8 minutes to 3, and it could take up to an hour. So I still have probably an hour and 8 minutes. Yeah, and I thought I could walk Stormy, and I'm sorry, jeez, you're not Stormy, I'm sorry, honey. Thought I could walk Kit, but everywhere I go, and even in the parking lot, it seems like there's glass. And I don't know. Maybe I just carry you and you and I walk the road or something. Okay, it's gotten better. I finally was able to get into the car. And it's not raining. So we gotta look at the positives. You know, it's not raining like it was last time. I do have a piece of grass here. It doesn't seem to have glass in it. The other piece of grass over there did. But it doesn't seem to have glass in it. So I have a place for a Kit to potty, and my son's already getting his tattoo. It's the owner of the place is giving the tattoo, and I was told before we leave here, the owner wants to come out and pet Kit. So that's very cool. Maybe I give this place a shout out for I end the video. I just got to get the name of it. No, it's just, I don't know. I was more stressed because there was glass all over the place we was walking. And I was mad at myself for actually putting Kit in that situation. And I didn't notice. He didn't get cut. I thank God I noticed it just in time. Alright guys, don't know how much more video I'm going to do. We are talking to our friend Becky. And we're just catching up. By the way, real quick, he is doing much better on his walking. I took him into Walmart yesterday, and believe it or not, he walked around the whole Walmart with us. He only started acting up at the very end when we was getting ready to check out. I am so pleased with him. Okay, obviously I'm home now. We got poured on over there, by the way. Yeah, we was visiting with our friend Becky, and right when things kind of started looking up, here come the rain. Yeah, and it poured. Guys, honestly, I didn't realize there was so much glass everywhere. And the last time we was there, which was Monday, just a couple days ago, I couldn't really tell how bad it was because it was pouring down the rain then too. But my son got the tattoo. I won't be able to show the tattoo in today's video because he's already at work, and we're going to give it a couple days for it to heal up. Then I will show the tattoo. Okay, so I don't forget, the tattoo shop we went to was Wicked Dragon Tattoo. They do very fine work, and I would love to show Justin's tattoo, but he thinks it's better till, you know, for a couple days from now, and then we'll show the tattoo. But guys, I'm just gonna close the video out here, inside my house, okay? This turned out, it didn't turn out what I really wanted to do, man. The whole idea was go over there with Kit, while he's inside getting a tattoo, me walk a little bit with Kit, carry Kit, walk a little bit with the Kit, walk around town. I had an hour to kill, but there was glass everywhere, and then no sidewalks. It was a business district, so it's to be expected. It is, and it couldn't have turned out, yeah. And then Angie forgot to lock the car. She had the keys, and in a way I'm thankful for that, because that way Kit and I could sit inside, you know, and there was a small part of grass, a very tiny part of grass I could put him in for him to go potty. And that was it. It was glass everywhere, man. So guys, today was a total fail. Yeah. This is what happens when I plan stuff out. I not only said 2 curse words in the video, I didn't do exactly what I wanted to do with Kit. So the only thing good that came out of it was Justin got a dang good tattoo, which I show that probably in the next video. But until then, guys, this is it. You want to see Kit one last time? He done went over to his crate. He's still tired. Hey, Kit. As you can see, I don't have the door closed. We don't close the door. He's free to go in and out all he wants. But Kit, it may be a little dark. Kit says I'm tired. Leave me alone, and you see more of me in the next video. If everything goes to plan, I won't be doing another video till this weekend, and it's the weekend before he gets the rest of his shots, so we may go on some type of adventure that's safe for Kit. And that's what got me so upset today, you know, so much glass. I was like, yeah, really good daddy, you know, put your dog down on the ground, then noticing the freaking glass. Thank God he didn't step in any. I checked his pulse. He's fine. But jeez. Alright guys, till next time, I promise maybe the next video, I might do it justice. This one I shouldn't even air it, but you know what? I'm going to. It's real. So, this was my day. Till next time, come on. From Kit and I and my wife, we'll see you in the next video. Come on, let's get out of here. Hopefully then I can pull out some adventures that are safe for Kit, and we'll make some good videos. Until then, we'll catch you in a couple days.